Hello viewers, Tanima this end. You're watching this video in my YouTube handle at @justtanima_Barbie. Just to let you know, my YouTube venture is totally a personal, anywhere as a voluntary virtual social outreach, and it has nothing to do with my profession when engaged with research and teaching in the field of molecular biology and biotechnology in an institution in India. I personally believe that education should be freely accessible to all, and with this in mind, I have initiated a series on cancer biology. This is my 85th video on cancer biology. The present video intends to discuss few perspectives of apoptosis in cellular responses, senescence, and various cell death pathways, in mechanisms of radiation-induced biological effects, in the topic radiation-induced biological effects. The present video partially discusses a paper entitled Radiation-Induced Biological Effects, Molecular and Cellular Mechanisms, and Applications to Radiation Nuclear Emergency and Cancer Therapy. The DOI of the same has been pasted in the description box. I would also request you to turn on the subtitle or caption button on your screen in case you find difficulty with my deliberation. Do keep watching. Apoptosis represents a quiet, non-immunogenic type of programmed cell death and serves as a primary mechanism for cellular renewal in the normal functioning of organisms, a concept initially suggested by Wiley et al. In 1972. Morphologically, cells undergoing apoptosis display characteristics such as cellular crumpling, nuclear consolidation, and blistering of the cell membrane. It is facilitated by two primary types of pathways, the exogenous death receptor pathway or the endogenous mitochondrial pathway. The exogenous pathway commences with the activation of ligands on membrane of the tumor necrosis factor receptor family, including FAS and TNFR1, which subsequently triggered the cascade reaction. The endogenous pathway is initiated by intracellular stress signals that activate BAX, BAK, leading to the formation of pores in the outer mitochondrial membrane. This process results in the release of cytochrome C and the subsequent activation of caspase 9. These two pathways ultimately result in the co-activation of caspase 3 and caspase 7, thereby initiating apoptosis. Ionizing radiation ultimately results in the activation of caspase 3 and caspase 7, leading to apoptosis through the induction of ceramide production, activation of p53, and signaling via death receptors. So viewers, hope the video could discuss few perspectives of apoptosis in cellular responses, senescence, and various cell death pathways, in mechanisms of radiation-induced biological effects, in the topic radiation-induced biological effects. Please don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Here I would like to mention that the references that were used for preparing the video have been pasted in the description box, and if you're interested to look into the details, you might check the same. Hope to meet you soon with yet another video on cancer biology. Till then, do take care, keep well, and bye.